This is Willie. Willie beaming. Found this cat in a stack washer and dryer at the shop. He had to come home. Willie beaming. All right, we got in this Maytag commercial, but where's the 10-year warranty? Oh no. Well, let's see what it does. And to one of the commenters yesterday, I think it was Scott, I think that sounds like a fantastic idea. A sweet fur coat, pimp hat, fixing appliances. Yeah, let's do it. If I hit that 1,000 mark, I gotta remember to wear that sweet fur coat. Left, right, left, right. Flash mode, codes. And that's it. Clear. And if you didn't know, down in there is where the tech data doodad sheet is. Right there. Off balance. F0E5. Suspension's good. Oh, that's the problem right there. Hub stripped. All right, gotta get the agitator out. 7/16 on a long extension. Might not be long enough. Go. Got it. All right. The tip. Just gotta pull that U retainer clip real quick. 6 Phillips. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 1,000, and I gotta give me a sweet fur coat and badass hat. Yeah, she's stripped. But how's the shaft? Not too bad. I've seen worse. We can maybe clean that up. Oh, we'll just put the old brush to it. Try and get some of that gunk out of there. Not much play in this drum, so I don't think I'll need a shim. Yeah. Usually look for the movement in the top. Not much. All right. Tap it down.
Screw it to it.
I like to run these in a crisscross pattern because it kind of sucks the drum back up to it, because it'll drop once you take the old hub out. Something is bound to happen. This is going too smoothly. But love it when it works out like that. Quick and easy. Let's run the recalibrate. Left, right, left, right. Flash mode. 4 clicks to rinse is recalibrate. Now to do stupid stuff. All right. Load it down. if it can balance this, it can do it. Sensing. There we go. Still filling. That's a big load. All right. Looking good. Been kind of slow recently. But I think everybody was watching the hurricane, watching Israel and Iran, the elections, a bunch of the same stuff coming in, being broke. Hopefully something new and entertaining comes in. But anyway, thank y'all for watching, and hit that like and subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to 1,000, almost there, thanks to y'all. Oh, cleaning refrigerators, not my favorite thing. Man, gotta love those ones come in and the agitator comes right out and you unbolt it, bolt the new hub in. It doesn't need a shim and it just works. It's amazing. But that was a quick hub change for you. On to the next one. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe to the channel. And thank y'all for getting us over that 700 mark. On our way to 1,000. Might be able to get about 50 shares of Tesla off of this one.